Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. I think I deserve a like just for that intro. If this is your first time here, I do project videos using a Glowforge 3D laser printer. And if you like those type of videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you will be notified when I drop a new video. Welcome to the project. Okay, I was browsing on Etsy, like always. And the reason why I be browsing on there a lot is because I'm thinking about opening an Etsy store, but I don't know what I want to sell. So do me a favor, let me know in the comments, what would you like to see me sell or something that you would buy from me if I had an Etsy store? Yeah, let me know in the comments. But I came across this multi-layered mandala model, so I thought I'd give it a try. But instead of using some acrylic or hardwood, I decided to use cardboard. I haven't cut any cardboard in my laser, and I've been having my laser for over 2 years now. So we're gonna be laser cutting some cardboard in this project. Okay, this is what the file looks like once it's downloaded. I had shrunk it down to the size that I actually wanted. As you can see, it got like all these crazy pieces. It looks like it was really hard to put together. I don't even understand. I don't even know how they ended up doing this with all these little bitty tiny parts to make it layer up, but it looks pretty good. So let's head to the laser and cut it out. Got all 8 layers cut out. As you can see, it's 2, 4, 6, and 8. Got all layers cut out. But I want to talk about some of these pieces right here. Like, this is my first time cutting cardboard, and the Glowforge did a really good job. Like, look at some of these. Like, these are really small pieces right here, and it cut it out just fine. I will put the settings again on the screen right here that I used to cut this cardboard. But yeah, let's put it together. Also, I'm gonna use this little glue stick right here to glue it all together. And there you have it, laser cut 3D cardboard mandala. Keep in mind, I made this nice art out of cardboard. Some cardboard that you probably just gonna throw in the trash anyway. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next project. Let's go make something else.
I can't stay. No, I always gotta go. Playing house, this ain't a home with my soul. On the road, I can't stay. No, I always gotta go.